Tonight's game is proudly supported and sponsored by some amazing local organizations and businesses that continue to support our team and community. Our first shout out tonight goes to the BFLO cheerleaders who are on the sideline this evening. Thank you to the BFLO cheerleaders for bringing the energy, spirit, and entertainment to tonight's game. We appreciate your support of women's football and the 716 Blizzard. A special shout out to Feeding in the Midst, changing lives one meal at a time and continuing to fight food insecurity right here in Western New York. And finally, thank you to Burning Fitness Personal Training for supporting the Blizzard and helping athletes stay strong both on and off the field. On the kick for the Blizzard, number 20, Mary Palaimo. Back to receive for the Mayhem, number 36, Elaine Garnett. Number 13, Caitlin Yost with a return for the Mayhem. She's brought down by number 17, Dior Chapman. First and 10 for the Mayhem. First and 10 for the Mayhem on the 40-yard line.
It's not really football season, so you're out of practice. That's why I'm on shooting. So I shouldn't forget football because I'd be lying if I said as much as I hate September. I love September. 36 for the carry. 36-6.
Number 36, Elaine Garnett with the carry for the Mayhem. In on the stop for the Blizzard was number 6, Sherelle Warren. A 5-yard gain on the play. It'll be 2nd and 5 for the Mayhem on the Blizzard 35-yard line. Schofield's pass goes incomplete. Number 88, Kelly Demlinger, the intended receiver. Third down for the Mayhem.
Got better seats than we did for the last one, sorry.
Schofield's pass goes complete to number 36, Elaine Garnett. Tackle on the play was made by 0, Denia Green. Yardage on that play is enough for a Mayhem first down. 1st and 10 on the Blizzard 18-yard line. Number 36, Elaine Garnett with a carry for the Mayhem, brought down again by 0, Denia Green. An 8-yard gain on the play will be 2nd and 2 for the Mayhem. Number 21, Maggie Schofield with the quarterback keeper for the Mayhem. She's brought down. After a short gain, it's enough for a first down. 1st and goal for the Mayhem.
Trevor, you're too loud.
Schofield's pass goes incomplete. Number 36, Elaine Garnett, the intended receiver. 2nd and goal for the Mayhem. Schofield's pass goes complete to number 88, Kelly Denlinger. A 3-yard gain on the play will be 3rd and goal from the 5-yard line. A direct snap to number 36, Elaine Garnett, who takes the ball into the end zone for a Mayhem touchdown.
Way to go, Garnett!
So that's kind of funny, good team. No.
Mayhem extra point is no good. 10 minutes, 47 seconds left in the first quarter. Maine 6, Buffalo 0. On the kick for the Mayhem, number 16, Cash Couture. Deny agreed with the return of that kick for the Blizzard. She's brought down by number 13, Caitlin Yost. Blizzard offense on the field, 1st and 10. We have a delayed game penalty on the Blizzard offense. That's a 5-yard penalty. It'll remain 1st down for the Blizzard. And we have a loose ball in the Blizzard backfield. It has been recovered by the Blizzard. Second and long for the Blizzard on their own 5-yard line. Maine's pass falls incomplete. 3rd down for the Blizzard.
They're going to go sideways and run these bleachers and crack them. I know. I'm trying to figure out who's got the sound of
Number 1, Michaela Means with a carry for the Blizzard. She's brought down by number 24, Emily Cormier. A 12-yard gain on the play, 4th and 9 for the Blizzard. Timeout Blizzard, their first timeout of the first half.
number 9. We saw a couple kids get scraped up yesterday. Are we home or away?
We're here.
Well, those who are Bulldogs, you can probably appreciate this. Everybody that has an Escalade, SUV, how many cars came? A dozen?
We have a flag on the play.
And then the ambulance came after. Yeah, flag football last night, yeah. Flag football.
Penalty is for a false start on the Blizzard. A 5-yard penalty. It'll remain 4th down.
A bunch of players, friends. However, players for starting quarterback.
'Easy!
There was contact with a Mayhem player, and the punt has been recovered by the Blizzard. 1st and 10 from the 29-yard line.
Let's go, Maine!
Zero tonight agreed with a carry for the Blizzard. There is a flag on the play. Flag is for a block and back penalty on the Blizzard, a 10-yard penalty. It will remain 1st down for the Blizzard on their own 24-yard line. Means pass falls incomplete. Number 2, Emily Cord, the intended receiver. 2nd down for the Blizzard. That pass goes complete to 0 Denia Green. She's tackled on the play by number 25, Michelle Johnson.
I'm ready. I had a long day.
Third down for the Blizzard. Number 19, Kelvin alone, the ball carrier for the Blizzard, brought down in the backfield by number 40, Quincy Sundstrom. Fourth down for the Blizzard.
She's special ed. He's special ed, everybody. Austin is.
I do. I definitely do.
We have a flag on the play. Flag is for delayed game on the Blizzard. 5-yard penalty. It'll remain fourth down.
Hey, there you go. I love the way that looks, which looks like you can turn it on, you turn it off, and you can force it to it, but it doesn't work. Oh boy. There you go. Poison. Oh, I heard something yelling.
The Blizzard down the ball on the 38-yard line. Mayhem back on the field. First and 10.
Alright, let's do it tonight. I'm gonna be jealous. Don't know yet? Haven't decided? No? How's the sub?
Tonight we'll have chicken wings.
That sounds like school.
My wife doesn't cook tough meals on Saturday. Something simple. Burgers.
Especially the day before Mother's Day. 56.
Oh, it's dropping.
Number 36, Elaine Garnett, the ball carrier for the Mayhem. An 18-yard gain on that play. First and 10 for the Mayhem on the Blizzard 21-yard line. Number 36, Elaine Garnett, the carry for the Mayhem. In on the stop for the Blizzard, number 6, Sherelle Warren. A 1-yard loss on the play, second and 11 for the Mayhem. Schofield's pass goes complete over the middle, number 13, Caitlin Yost for a 22-yard Mayhem touchdown. Number 36, Elaine Garnett takes the ball into the end zone for a successful 2-point conversion. 2 minutes, 46 seconds left in the first quarter. Maine 14, Buffalo 0. Once again on the kick for Mayhem, number 16, Cash Couture.
Let it go. Oh, that's a light ball. You got to do something. There you go. Stop
for a Blizzard touchdown!
Every Saturday night we spark that game, running back, running up, whole stadium shake. Yo, 716 with a Storm AK. 716 every down we get. 716 for the base, feel the pressure. Try hit, made the whole world step together.
Timeout Blizzard, their second timeout of the first half.
Let's go!
that's what I care about the Jets. But that's.
The leads takes the ball in the end zone for a successful 2-point conversion. 2 minutes, 10 seconds left in the first quarter. Maine 14, Buffalo 8.
Yo, 716 with a stone that can't wait. 716 every down we get. 716 to the base, feel the pressure. Try hit, make the whole one stick together. Break from the line like lightning struck. No break, we hit like a semi-truck. Feel down now, checking your times up. 310 feet tall, we built that up. Heat in the air, whole sky on fire. Our skis up when the squad get high. No L's, just a battle cry. We rise, we hurt, we never get tired. Ends on dream, keep calling our name. That's what we, that's blaze of flame. Every Saturday night, we start that game. Running back, running up, whole stadium shake. Yo, 716 with a storm that came. Well, 716 every down we get. 716 to the base, feel the pressure.
On the kick for the Blizzard, number 20, Mary Palimo. Number 25, Michelle Johnson fields that kick for the Mayhem. Mayhem offense back on the field, 1st and 10 on their own 49-yard line. Number 21, Maggie Schofield keeps the ball for the Mayhem. She's brought down by number 21. Correction, number 4 with the tackle, Jayla Yancey. A 2-yard gain on the play, leaves 2nd and 8 for the Mayhem on the Blizzard 49-yard line.
Did you get any of those shoes potato chips? Sorry.
Oh yeah.
I think good. Barbecue ones are good.
I haven't tried onions, so barbecue.
Barbecue is the only one I was interested in. So barbecue's good? Okay.
Number 36, Elaine Garnett with the carry for the Mayhem. She was forced out of bounds by number 9, Isabel Buckingham. 1st and 10 for the Mayhem on the Blizzard 36-yard line. And ladies and gentlemen, your score at the end of the first quarter, Maine 14, Buffalo 8. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the track your BFLO cheerleaders.
I just do my thing for the girls.